We are here at IAA Mobility 2023, and at the Fraunhofer booth we are presenting some of the developments we are conducting in the framework of our Lighthouse project ALBACOPTER. Within one of the sub-projects we are highlighting and developing innovative propulsion technologies for urban air mobility solutions of the future. And we are looking into different scales. So we are looking into the scalability ALBACOPTER 0.5 with a maximum takeoff weight of 125 kilograms. How can we provide a sustainable, reliable propulsion technology for a scale in this size? But we're also looking into the larger scale propulsion systems as for the ALBACOPTER 1.0. One of these systems we are displaying here as an initial concept, and we are eager to develop these concepts further together with industry partners and of course also with our customers of the future, the OEMs of the UAM business. Furthermore, within this project we are of course also looking into how to provide testing and validation solutions, and we already have a few of those within the consortium, within the project. So we have the possibility to test smaller drives in an array of propulsion systems, but of course also to test larger powertrain solutions is now also possible within the results we have produced within our Lighthouse project. So we're very proud all in all to present a whole range of solutions for applied research and development for urban air mobility of the future. And we're also looking forward to be developing these technologies further together with industrial partners in the years to come.